And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Matt Holliner.
6:42 this morning. Our rain chance is lower today because that wave of low pressure that tracked just to the north of us over the course of the weekend is now well off to the west. See those enhanced rainfall rates out in West Texas? That is that same trough of low pressure. And so notice in general along the Texas coast, there's not going to be as much rain around. It's going to be more isolated showers and storms. However, we could see those rain chances go up as we get towards the weekend because we have to keep an eye on the tropics and what is left of what was once Hurricane Isaac. Now not too impressive. It's actually centered right over Jamaica, but it doesn't have an actual center of circulation. It's not a closed circulation, just a broad area of low pressure. But notice the direction that it's expected to move. Yes, it is expected to re-enter the Gulf, and then the models get messy, as they typically do, because we're not talking about the things getting close to any coast, whether it be the northern Gulf Coast, Texas coast, or maybe even Mexico coast until the weekend. And notice the chance of development of this becoming a tropical storm or a hurricane again, very low. It looks like the wind shear, which is the reason why we saw Hurricane Isaac just develop into this remnant low. The wind shear probably is going to continue into the Gulf of Mexico. So chances are it won't organize, but it could still be a rainmaker and could still boost our rain chances into the weekend. But ultimately, we're just going to have to watch it and see exactly where it goes along the Gulf Coast to see who's going to get the heaviest rain. But it looks like the entire Gulf Coast is going to look at increased rain chances as we get into the weekend. In the short term, there's not going to be as much rain around. 8 a.m. this morning, can't rule out a couple showers near the coast. Most of us are going to be dry, though, and the clouds will start building in. I don't think it's going to be thick overcast skies across the entire valley, but it'll be cloudy in some spots. In general, the way the day is going to play out is partly to mostly cloudy skies. There'll be some sunshine, but there are going to be quite a few clouds around, but not a ton of rain. 2 o'clock, just things start to get a little bit more active as the sea breeze sets up, starting in Cameron and Willacy County. 5 o'clock, yeah, there'll be some isolated showers and storms, but look at all the places that won't be seeing rain at 5 o'clock. So today's not a washout day, but a day to carry the umbrella because there will be some rain around, and you'll want that umbrella in case you get under one of those shower storms. Could be a couple pockets of heavy rain, but they're going to be so limited that there's no flash flood watch in effect for the valley. We are done with the flash flood watches at this point. By 9 o'clock, everyone's dry, and it looks like there's going to be a long period where we're going to stay dry, 9 a.m. tomorrow morning, a partly cloudy start to the day. There will be a sea breeze tomorrow, and a few showers and storms will pop up, but even less than today. Tomorrow, the vast majority of us are probably going to stay dry, and only a few will be seeing rain. It'll probably be very light rained as well, and even by 6 o'clock tomorrow, we may very well be back to dry conditions. So today, yes, a 30% chance of rain overall, a little bit better chance. If you live in Cameron or Willacy County, I'd put that rain chance about 40%. For Dog County, 30%, and most of Starr County, only a 20% chance of rain. Highs are going to be around 92 with partly to mostly cloudy skies. Not that breezy either. Winds only around 10 miles per hour. Tonight, all the rain is over with by 9 o'clock, and it'll just be partly cloudy with lows around 76. And that's still kind of muggy, especially for this time of year. Normal low is 72. And we get nowhere close to that on this 7-day forecast. The humidity stays high, and so that's why we can't take the rain chances out completely. On Tuesday and Wednesday, we're going to leave in a 10% chance. Yes, a lot of us will stay dry and just be partly cloudy and humid. But notice what happens as we get into the weekend. We're going to go back to those scattered showers and thunderstorms. Ultimately, how much rain we see is going to depend on exactly where that low pressure tracks. So the rain chances could go up for the weekend, but they could also go down. We're just going to have to monitor that part of the forecast very closely, so stay tuned.